Hey, what is up, guys? It's Darwin here. It's me. Yeah, it's me. Great. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna get started here on server tutorial. These are server status, as you can see. If you can't read, that says server status. Announcements, you always want to be checking these just in case of anything that could happen in the server. If the server shuts down, if there's Roblox shutdown or whatever, we will most likely post it in this channel. So the frequently asked questions, these are frequently asked. If you guys have any frequently asked questions, um, there will be applications right online underneath this video. Also, if you want to join the server, it's in the description, and the forms will be in the description as well. If you want to ask some frequently asked questions, if we get a lot of those questions, we will most likely add it up here. So sessions here is I'm pretty sure why. Okay, so sessions is where they host sessions. So here, when there's a session, the server thing will be the green circle. It will say the code and the host and so on and so on. The session info, these are information about the sessions. A session is when we roleplay where people who want to RP join. Join sessions start every day, anytime and anytime when the server dies. Huh? That made no sense. Alright. Server code will be sent in the sessions with a message. It will be highlighted in bold. Want to become a game staff, you just go ahead and fill out the applications, just like last video. It's technically the same thing. Want to be an awesome role player, follow the rules, go to in-game rules. So here are all the rules. So if you join, you gotta read through both of these rules, the Discord and the in-game rules. Alright, next thing. Where was I? Oh yeah, I was in session info. SSU starts at any times, dies when the server dies. Alright. So boosts, these are people who boosted the server and how many times they boosted it. These are technically, let's say these are technically Discord Patreons as an example. Also, if you didn't know, yeah, you just hover over it and it does that cool effect. But now you do, if you didn't know. But la 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 la. The poll, these are where we take decisions about our servers, and as you can see here, these sometimes we do these randomly, sometimes we do them for a purpose or like voting to see what you guys want in the server. So an example, this one is just like a personal opinion one. Do you put milk first into the bowl then cereal, or cereal first then the milk? A lot of people in their option, I'm not going against anyone, it's still milk and cereal or cereal and milk either way, so you're still eating cereal. It doesn't change anything. It's just in a different order. So I don't really find a difference about that. One time I actually put in the milk into the bowl and then the cereal, but actually putting the milk into the bowl before the cereal is actually pretty smart. You wanna know why? So technically when you put the cereal, the cereal like sinks down into the milk. Well, actually it pops up with the milk, and then once you put in the milk to the level you want it, uh, you can go ahead and put the cereal in, and then you can just where you want the cereal. All right, so this is just a poll about how old our members are. Uh, just ignore this, even though this is not supposed to be anything. This we're gonna let this slide, even though that might be breaking to us, but still, uh, I'm pretty sure people are probably older than that now. Either 12 turning 13 in a few months, which this was December 4th. So a lot of them are literally 13 through 15. So next year I might get this role, who knows? Well, not a role. This I might choose this. Should we make our VC required only? It will be way better RPs. I mean, in my option, I think so, and people's option, they don't really think so. They think it should just say as chat, which is pretty annoying sometimes because you want to type fast, and then you end up messing up and screwing up your grammar. All right. So would you guys like to do some events, but not in ERLC? You guys agreed with that one. So you guys like, so you guys want to do events like movie nights, in game, well not in games, game nights. How do you feel about being in the server? By meaning, okay, you feel it's a safe environment. Please, if not, please open a ticket. We're just trying to make sure you feel comfortable in the server. You know, you don't have any issues with us or anything. So if you feel comfortable, if you don't, you could go ahead and just go to ticket, which is the next channel we're gonna be talking about. So here is a ticket that you would report staff for break-in rules or TOS. So you're technically not supposed to go into staff chat and then just spam or request ban. I mean, not request ban. You can't just request ban and a ban request. You can't just ban request a moderator or a server staff. All right. You want to go ahead and report them here, specifically here. Management support. This ticket is used for reporting HR such as supervisors and internal affairs. Wait, FI, okay. Paid giveaways or HR inquires. Notice any reports against management team, please refer to the ownership team. Wait, which what well list following the chain of command. So this is the support that mostly everyone would use for literally general support. So this what we were talking about by not feeling safe. You would technically click on general support. This ticket is used for questions, reports, and other ERLC related issues. So like if the server is lagging, you go ahead and report it there. If there's an exploit or a troller, report it here. You don't just go up into media and start posting pictures or something. You have to keep that as evidence while in the ticket. Here is where we do daily giveaways. As you can see, they're pretty daily as you can see. Look right here. Actually, this was yesterday, since nobody claimed this one, I believe. So, see, look, these are daily gifts. We have them at least once a week or something. Usually once a week. VIP giveaway. This channel is still not in. Uh, it's technically like giveaways, but for people who have wait no, yeah, for people who have CMRP VIP. Discord rules, this is exactly what I said. Discord rules, you read this for the rules and everything, you know, all that good stuff. In-game rules, it's sort of like the Discord rules, but more complicated. It's more for in-game than actual Discord. So as you can see, no RDM or VDM. Like, how are you gonna RDM in Discord? But this is in-game rules. Applications. If you watch my Discord what do you call it? My Discord ban appeal video for the band members. This is technically where you would go ahead and just trade up, just go, you know. Hold on here. So here you would go ahead and choose in-game mod application if you wanted it, or Discord mod application if you wanted it, so on. We might be adding more applications in the future, who knows. Ban appeals, this is where, as I said last time, if you get accepted, your name's down here, and you get removed from the ban role, as you can see. How to join. This is a step-by-step how to join, but if you guys want a video version, because it's easier, but this is more easier, but the video is more time-consuming. So in sessions, as I said, in bolded, and type in the enter code. proper capitals. If you need further help, DM me and I would love to help you out. If the code says invalid, please make sure there are no spaces in the code when you put it in the bar or in the enter code bar. Suggestions, this is where you suggest stuff. I think there's like a 6-hour cooldown on this or something. Exactly like about me, I think. But yeah, this very a lot of people like suggesting stuff here. So technically, let me scroll up here. We should have a welcome channel where people can introduce themselves, like their name, time zones, some things that to know about them, like important stuff. And this is the about me channel, which was created based off this comment, or I mean suggestion. So the actual moderators approved them themselves, the SHR, the super high ranks. So I went ahead and also suggested a few things. They got the Banopio channel from me, I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I think there should be a KAD. Sonoran KAD is great. It's actually free as well. But I gotta warn you a few things. Only the owner could use not could set it up. Perks. VIP members are special members in our server. In order to receive the role, you must be active or invite 5 friends to the server and send a screenshot to an SHR. Main chat. I'm super bored. LOL. Okay. This is just a general chat, like every other server. Here's where you introduce yourself. I was going ahead and filling this out. Hello, my name is Darwin. I'm a CMRP moderator. My birthday is March 31st, 2007. I like driving, role playing. I also like cars and more. I am a male. I'm a full-time student. I'm a full-time student. And a part going to full-time moderator. And have I don't even know why I keep capitalizing every of these letters. And have a great, I don't know, great night. So, as you can see, it's a 30-minute cooldown on this one. Because you're definitely not going to post after that, though. Here is just memes. You go ahead and put memes in here, not actual, you know, memes, not actual, what do you call it? I want brain dead right now. Not actual, like, things, like Roblox things or, like, support. That would go ahead and go in media. Because this is just for memes. Like this is meme, loading, all these are memes. Media. And this is, what the hell? Alright. This is Friday Night Funkin', I believe, if I'm not wrong. Are you playing by yourself? Media is technically where you just post pictures about stuff, random off-topic stuff. It could be anything. Alright. And as you can see here, if I wanted to, I could have talked. Well, I couldn't have talked because this is a you can't talk channel because it's music. So, these are in-game VCs. So, if, for example, if you ever want to just go ahead and use VC, which is optional in the server, you can go ahead and do it. Traffic Scene 1, which is for traffic scenes. Traffic Scene 2, same thing. Traffic Scene 3 is also the same thing. Alright, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3 is like, for example, like bank robbery. It's no longer a traffic stop. Mod scene. So mod scene is technically straight up from I don't know, from anything that happened to just moderation because of rules broken or terms of service. In-game mods is a channel for the in-game mods only. Mod call, I'm pretty sure it's to take absence or to call other moderators or something. I'm pretty sure it's more for attendance or activity notes on the server. Lounge 1, these are lounges. You could just do whatever the heck you want in there, but not exploit or anything like that. Music, you can go ahead and listen. You can go ahead and listen to music if you wanted to. Alright. So, if you want, these are all staff categories. We don't go ahead and talk about that. Those are only for staff members, so I'm not going to click on any of them because they're private. So, only for staff members, and that's about everything I'm covering. Oh, Hydra song requests. This is for the Hydra bot. When you're in a music channel, just go ahead and request it here, and it will play it, hopefully. Alright, and that's about everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I shall see y'all in the next tutorial video if I have another one. So, thank you and enjoy your winter or something.